guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm at the airport because I'm going on a short trip with my husband and a friend. So we have arrived at the airport and now we're going to find our friend. Okay, let's hurry. We're going to measure the weight of my hand carry. It's light.
5.4.
Hi!
Many people.
Are we catching this one? Baby? Yes, let's go, let's go. So now we're waiting near our gate for it to open. And it's a new airline, so let's see how this one is. And you mix it. Too hot. Finally, the plane is here. The flight is probably delayed. Because it's so small. Small plane.
RW908 bound for Cebu. Thank you. Events are found under the sea. Please do not remove this unless there's an emergency. As a safety precaution, do not take life vests inside the aircraft.
We have landed.
More renovation, but then I think it was just like landing, like
First time in Cebu. Go, go. our room. So we're inside our room, and so let me give you a room tour. Starting from the bedroom. So we have the bed here with the rubbish bin and wow, very nice big table. We also have a TV, and then there is this, I think it's a sitting area. It's quite big with some lamps. And here is our mini fridge inside. So when you open, you have some drinks and chocolates, which you do need to pay if you eat them. And there are more things that you can eat. We have some glasses. What are these? Oh, drip coffee. Empty cups. And then the water boiler. So this is it for the room. There is a telephone on the other side there. Now I'm going to go to the bathroom. So this is really nicely designed with wood, and then this is a sliding door. So this is the bathtub, very nice. And then on the left we have the toilet. So we have to pull it. So this is the toilet. And then on the right we have the bathing area. On this side, oh, there's a place to sit too. And then we have the shower head, one more shower head on top, and the buttons are here, the tap I meant. Okay, so let's look at this toiletries. So we have the body wash, shampoo and conditioner, and then there is one towel here, and there are the other towels here. Oh, this is a stool and the hair dryer is inside this wooden box. Oops. This is the sink area. Looks very fancy. So we have two glasses. Oh, interesting mirror. What is this for? Oh, it was zoomed in. The plugs. Tap is also very nice. And then this is the soap. Let's look at the other amenities. So we have a comb here. This is sanitary bag, shower cap, body lotion, tissue paper. Next drawer we have the dental kits. Anything else? On the side we have big wardrobes. So there are two extra pillows, and then we have two robes, and the ironing tools with hangers, and we have one pair of slippers. I think it's for the swimming pool or the beach area. And if you want to clean your clothes, then there is this laundry form with the laundry bag and some sewing tools. And then we have the slippers for the room, which I'm gonna take out and wear it. On the right hand side there's one more cupboard. There's nothing on the top. There is the lock, the safe here to put your important items, and there are a few drawers which are empty, but but we can store our clothes. Okay, so that's all for the bathroom tour. Now I'm gonna go out to show you the balcony. Let's go to the balcony. So for the balcony, there's a sliding door and curtains, 2 curtains. One is just net, another one is a thicker one that can cover everything. And this is the balcony with amazing view. So that's the man-made beach. And then this is our swimming pool. We're here. And this is also part of the hotel. Seems there is restaurant or bar there. And we have tools to hang clothes. The room height is really tall. And then we have places to sit down and chill. So we can just sit here. Lovely weather. They gave us a small bag with this bakery cookies. So when I turned it, it's yesterday's date. 3 complimentary water bottles. There's an alarm clock. And then menu for room service. The music is so loud, but it's really nice. Look at the sky, it's so pretty. Look at the moon. Indian jasmine. The night view is also so pretty. We finally have the lights here. That's sauce, vinegar, chili, so much. Nachos. But I don't know how to open it. This one?
Like it's too hard.
Oh, I see. Oh. I thought I was supposed to unwrap everything. Okay, there. Thanks. This is the night view. So I just had my bubble bath, and now our next schedule is to go for massage. So we have already booked our massage, and there will be a pickup directly to the hotel, and they will also have a drop off directly to the hotel. So I think that's the last thing we're gonna do for today. And the flight itself was tiring because we had to wait for a long time. There was a little bit of delay. You want a Pepsi? It's fine. I think so. To put inside? Or is it to eat? I'm gonna try it. Let me try it. Looks like I fell asleep. And no, it shouldn't be. It is not. What is cute? Is it for like It's my first time in